Welcome everybody to the Chugging Chronicles, this new episode where we taste and test sodas, mixers, and everything in between so you don't have to, you can just enjoy it. Today we have Citrus House, sparkling water, and organic juice, blued orange. It's a long guess.
Blued orange.
Blued orange. So it's a mouthful. Anyways, Italian. I think this would make a great kind of like seltzer style, like vodka and soda with a hint of flavor of orange. I don't know, maybe
we should mix up the world of the Paloma with it.
that would be interesting. Actually, you see?
It's sweet, still bitter too.
Let's see what's the taste. I see a lot of like
Very
natural,
organic.
yeah, it's organic, and I don't see any crazy ingredients. Carbonated water, orange, blood orange juice, organic blueberry juice, organic lemon juice, and natural flavors. So I like it so far. See what it tastes like first. Oh crap! It smells amazing.
That is not what I thought it was going to
I mean, I knew it was not gonna be
I
sweet.
forgot it's sparkling water.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be sweet, but I mean, it
Not
has.
the Paloma, not the Paloma.
No, I mean, we can add the sweetness that is needed for the Paloma, though.
This is bad though.
No, I think we can really go the tequila route without going too crazy, or the vodka route. What do you prefer?
I feel like vodka.
Maybe, you know what would be cool? I think if we did like a little bit of vodka and with a little bit of Aperol.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm not usually with the Aperol, but I'm here for it.
I think would be like to substitute the. I don't know. I just have an idea.
He has an idea.
Just. Trust. So let's see. We can do maybe.
Oh my god.
Okay, hold on. I have an idea. Let's do 1.25 ounces of vodka. Then we're gonna do a little bit of lemon juice. 0.5. And then I'm gonna do 0.75 ounces of Aperol.
What is Aperol?
So Aperol belongs to the family of the Amaros, which is Italian for bitter. So it's an aperitif, and the reason why it's Amaro, obviously, because they tend to be bitter. They use a lot of. Nobody knows the whole. Like they use tons of botanicals and other things, but Aperol is very, I would say, grapefruit forward and citrus forward. So I think that's why I think it's gonna go very well with it.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh shit!
Some sweet?
I almost forgot. Thank you.
We need some sweet.
Thank you, Secretary.
It's not really sweet. It's very good, but not very sweet.
So we're gonna let's do just a 0.5 because Aperol is slightly sweet already. So I feel like this would be great for a freaking day at the pool.
It'll fall down.
Yeah. I am very excited because I've never seen that soda before, and I like those kind of things that are.
Ooh, it's a pretty color.
Yeah. Flamingo.
Very
Flamingo color. So, what we do next? Let's add some ice.
Adios. Oh, no
And-
adios. Oh, my bad. Stop.
It's kind of something like a spritz, but in a different way, you know? And here we go. Let's make it pretty. Hold on. We cannot just present it like that.
Alright,
Ready? So,
stir it up.
stir up a little bit. I'm here for it. You try it first. Oh man, I already like it with just that little. It touched my lips and I fell in love.
I love that.
Let's see.
And I don't even like Aperol. Ooh, that is so good.
Holy cow.
That's so good.
This is
Ooh.
chuggable as hell. This is dangerous. Javi,
This is so good.
Javi, bring your butt over here, please.
Ours.
Bring your arse.
That's it.
Drink it, dude. Enjoy it.
It's so fucking good. Isn't it good?
It's very light, but it's not too sweet. I like it. tastes
It was
like
it was
a-
meant to be like a lighter chugging, you know, like not chugging, but you get.
She said chugging. Okay, cool. It's very refreshing. It's like a nice afternoon in the backyard, sipping on like. It almost has like a Genesis taste to it, but like.
I'll probably get some mash from these things.
It's very good. I kind of, this is random, but I kind of want the cherry juice in it. That.
Let's put a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Give a little bit. Copyright claim. Yeah.
Shit.
Go, Spence.
Go, Spence.
Dude, this is good. It's
Right?
good.
Chuggable. Certified.
Chuggable as hell.
It's like a green apple Jolly Rancher.
Green apple. Green apple. You think
A
so?
little bit. A little bit. Well,
Man,
it's almost gone, so it's for sure chuggable.
dude, I'm gonna buy this by the case.
That's good.
Guys, try it if you find it at your liquor store. Well, I got it at our local liquor store. I got it there. I'm gonna buy this by the case.
Organic.
Organic. Italiano.
Blood orange.
Sparkling water. All natural. And organic hoe.
And organic. Organic Coke. Chuggable. Certified.
Chuggable. Delicious.
You need like
Approved.
a bit.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time on the next episode. Leave in the comments if you want to see anything specific or if you want us to try anything else. Leave in the comments and have a good day.
Good.
Subscribe.